Good morning. Good morning. Did you have good sleeps? Did you have good sleeps? Yeah? Oh. Say it's early, human. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Good morning. Good morning to you, old lady. Good morning to you. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, it's early, isn't it? It's time to get up. See? Even your sister says so. Oh. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It's just a little after sunup, so it's still kind of that early morning glare is going on. Sorry about that. I need some tea to start the day. I don't know about you, but I need me some caffeine and some yummy tea goodness. So let's get that going and we can get the day started because we've got things to do. This brand of tea is by Harney & Sons. I don't have any affiliate links or sponsorships with them or anything. It's just a really good, solid tea company. Please excuse our waste bucket here. That goes out in the garden for the garden bed for the spring. But anyway, for those of you who are interested and who saw the tag, Harney & Sons, really, really lovely tea. So if that is something that you are into in the mornings, I definitely recommend that brand. So go on ahead and check them out. Okay, so I am out of work for the day and I am about to head to our local garden supply center to get some dirt and get that all hauled in so that we can fill the new beds, because we've got 2 new beds right now. We're working on potentially 3 others. Cross fingers, don't know for sure if that's going to happen. But I'm going to go over there, going to grab what we need, and then gonna go on ahead and head home. So I will see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so that is this new long bed done. Ooh, rah ha. We've got some dirt that we need to put in the other new one that you saw us build the other day, well, like a month ago now. So I will, if you have not seen that video, there's a helicopter flying overhead, sorry. So if you have not seen that video, I will go on ahead and I'll link it up here at the top for you so you can kind of recap and see what all we did. That was the smaller bed and it was 24 bricks. I've got a stack of bricks here. I need to add some more to that stack. I think I need like 15 for the next bed, roughly. I don't remember how many I have here. I'll have to count. Anyway, I'll need to count before I go to the home improvement store on top of that. So I will go on ahead and get some more of that here. And the next bit that's going to be happening, you can kind of see down here all of this paper. We're going to be covering it with mulch like we have the rest of the garden. And I've got 3 bags here, I think. Yeah, 3 bags. So I'll be laying that down here before too long as well. But I'm tired. So I'm going to go on ahead and I'm going to head in and I will catch you guys here in a bit. Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. Okay, so I was going to do a bit of seed starting with you guys on this video, but the footage for that was going to push this video clear into the 28 to 30 minute range, and that just wasn't going to work. So I'm going to go on ahead and wrap it up and show you the overwinter garden and what it looks like. Let me turn you around here, hold on. Alright, so after the snow and everything, obviously it needs a little bit of cleaning up. There's some dead leaves and stuff in here that I have not gotten to. But as you can see, this is Brussels sprouts. That guy over there got a little bit of frost damage last night. I'm not sure if he's going to pull through, but there's going to be 4 here, it looks like. Not counting my rutabagas here. They're turning out rather happily. They kind of stalled when it got really, really cold out, but that's okay. I didn't have a problem with that. It's not like I was coming out here and needing stuff. I was just eating literally out of the larder during the really, really cold times. But let me see if I can get a shot in here. See? Brussels sprouts. Aren't they awesome? So excited. So excited. This was a really good experiment. This is the first year that I've really tried with some good polyethylene material to overwinter some croppage. I'm not sure. Yeah, these guys in here, they're starting to grow, but there's definitely stuff that I need to trim off. That's okay. It happens. That happens when you keep everything locked up in the middle of winter. Okay, so that's what I've got for you for now. Sorry, I did not get the seeds starting in here. Like I said, it was going to push it to the 28 to 30 minute category, and I am not even going to fool myself to think that I am more interesting than the Bachelorette. But the good news is, look, the new bed is mostly filled. Still have all these holes, obviously, around the entire bed that need to be filled with some dirt so that we can use those. But the bulk of it is filled. I'm gonna probably do 2 bags of compost in here. This is a really good organic garden soil that I've got in here right now, and I'm just going to add in a little bit of extra nutrients so that when I put my seedlings in and my seed starts in, they will be good to go. I also was talking today with the guy who is going to take the dirty shed here. He's gonna take that off of our hands, hopefully sometime this week. Cross your fingers for me, guys. Really want to get this guy out of the way so that we can work on expanding this baby here. This is the lavender bed. slash herb bed, and it needs a little bit, it needs some love this year. It definitely needs a lot of love this year, actually. So it's going to get bigger. It's going to have some extra good stuff put inside, and hopefully we'll be able to have more herbs. That's the main thing, is we need more space for more herbs, because we're using a lot more herbs between what I use just in cooking and then what I use in also making the Bath and Beauty products. So definitely need some more space right here. The quandary that we are in at the moment is that we've got very limited square footage here. We're just under a 1/4 acre, and not all of it's usable. Obviously, you can see down in there, that's all ours. But we have some grow towers. I'm very excited about the grow towers, but I'm trying to figure out where to put them. Although now that we're getting rid of the shed, that can kind of take care of some of the issue, because in the morning, the way that we're angled with the morning sun, that shed pretty much blocks the light where I just showed you all of the winter veg with the Brussels sprouts and everything was. Pretty much keeps it all in shadow until 11:42 roughly, which really isn't ideal, especially for that lavender over there. Lavender likes sun, it likes bad soil, and I think that's part of the reason that we've had a lot of struggle with that bed and growing the lavender. So getting rid of that shed is going to help immensely. We have a small seed starting, I don't want to call it greenhouse, because it's one of those, it's just a 4-tier mini portable greenhouse thing, which isn't quite big enough, but I think I may have found one that will work for our needs probably for the next 2 or 3 years for what we seed start and what we are going to be growing here. I'm going to work on that. I'm a big budgeter, okay? So I do not do debt, okay? I don't like loans. I don't do debt. None of this is going on credit cards. This is all being budgeted for and paid for in cash. So I'm gonna have to kind of consider the budget in that, because we weren't exactly expecting the greenhouse until next year. But honestly, I've been surprised, because our need for the greenhouse and the realization of our need for the greenhouse has definitely made itself known this spring. So I'm looking at tweaking a few things and changing the budget to see if I can't fit that in at some point. So I think that's all I've got for now, guys, and I will be seeing you on the next one. Like I said, I've got some seed starting footage that I'm going to be showing you. Don't worry, it's just going to be a separate video, okay? And we'll be able to talk about all the fun little seeds that I've found and the things that I'm most excited about seed starting this year. So until the next time, as always, guys, wind, keep it simple, natural, and essential. Love ya.